Hello everyone, we are back again to another video. Now to the topic is built-in function, and also we go the math modules. Let's try in the building method. It's easy. Last day we read and learn about the loop. Now today we are in the built-in function. See, there is a built-in function that already had created in Python. We just use this bean. There is the id or and the help print. Let's ignore it and let's to the topic is modules and code library in Python. Here is this module in the Python like math, random, OS, on time tasks. There is a all module I will share with you. There is a help the module. Please wait for a moment. There is the all module. You can use this the barrier variable. There is a module name you can see in the Python. There is a lot of I know like email also a module like a JSON. Here you can see and you can check this list. I hope you love that. And it help you to when you make coding. That's you help you also. And the 6 also a module and XML. Let's go another topic is string. String is interesting. Is a create a string, access, add, edit, delete, string. Okay, let's string function. There is how to create a string. There is the method you can create a string or also create pass the two string together. Here is the output. There is another string and plus we just merge it together and we got this type of output and oops on string. Here is the another side. You can see arithmetic, relational, logical, loops, membership. There is all method you can apply in string. I hope you understand. There is the arithmetic. Here is the plus version. Here is the multiplication, and here is the relational operating and string function. Here is the you can use this all your own way. Just try it. I'm just try this demo. You can try your own way. I hope you love that. And string function, the common function. There is the length, max, min, shorted. So you can use this all and you can output. I hope you love this. And here is the capacity and title, upper, lower, sweep case. It is the string today. Let's make a title is not running. This first letter will be upper letter, and here is the count. You can count is I in this word is a 4 time, and here is the find I is a 0 index is mean this way first one, and in is the true, and string and with a string is in is true. There is mean true. Format, here is the format. If I make this my name, hello my name is 1 and this is 0, and when I go that is the 0 index this way. There is a come here Amadil, my name is not good. I know that's why you just remember when you use this index you just see 0 position 1 that and 1 position is that. So when my name is that's way I need to change this 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. I hope you understand. That's another way. I just show you that. There is the age. I say age and name. Now form its name and there is age. I made this same mistake. I hope you understand. Make this fix because if I'm not making mistake you never understand how is better. Now another is split is the most important. This one is the 8 split. When you want to create a list like this word, how is the PM of India, who is the PM of India, and you can create it like that. who is the PM of India, like that way, and you can join like that way, or you just this change anyway this middle, or replace. You can also replace your name or this type of script. Oh, I hope you loved that video. We just go in list and array today. I think it should be right now. Just learn this topic. I think it's not big, but I hope you can learn this topic tomorrow. Arrow and how to create a big list, array tuple. I hope tomorrow I just finish this fully video. So now we don't go in the list and array. Tomorrow we go and go in the deep side. And now today I go to end this video. I hope you like that. Let's see tomorrow another video. See you again.